the 1954 Gillette Super Speed Flare Tip. Gonna run it back with my favorite new soap. I'll also be featuring their accompanying Aftershave Splash. I'll be using one of my favorites. This is the Pacific Shaving Natural Cork handle. Synthetic Badger brush. Nice butterfly open. Throw the blade right on top. And we're ready to rock and roll. So I've been dealing with a really bad cold for the last, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. And, I told you guys on the last shave I'd get back to Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, at least to try to shave and hope to post 3 times a week, because I've been doing these video a day for a year shorts, and it's really eating up a lot of my time, and I got to get back to doing these videos. So here we go. Been sick. I'm missing by a day or two, but I'm back, guys. So here we go. We're going to be looking at this beauty right here. This is a 1954 vintage Gillette Super Speed Flare Tip. I've seen them painted in blue and red, black maybe. Just a nice razor here. Butterfly open or clasp. Very, very nice. You got a little bit of a blade overhang to contend with, but nothing too problematic. Just a nice, simple, easy razor. Let's go. We're going to be running it back with Elysian's Pine and Pepper. This is my new favorite manufacturer and my new favorite scent. Just can't get enough of this, so I'm going to be using that today. I'm going to be using another favorite. Here is my Pacific Shaving Company Natural Cork Handle Synthetic Badger hair brush. Love this brush. It's light, it's got the right diameter, not synthetic. It's easy on the hands for old people like me, and it's just really nice. Easy lather. So let's get right to it. A little bit of near hot on the face and neck to help prepare my skin for the blade. I'm going to open up this tub again. Synthetic Badger does not need to be soaked. Just run that under some warm water and go right into this oversized tub. And we're going to just pull out some scrumptious, divinely scented lather. Now, what I love about Elysian, I love a lot of things about Elysian. First off, I love the concept, the owner. She's a scentologist, if that's a word. She's always wanted to create fragrances, and when the world shut down, she decided to get in the game and make a soap company. So Elysian Soap Shop and Pine and Pepper. So lots of pine soaps. It just, they hit you over the head with the pine. And even though this is manufactured or designed by someone who's a fragrance person,
she's a scentologist.
That pine is so subtle. That pepper, it's warm. Just artfully done. It's a nice slick soap, as you can see. See how easy that was for me to collect and make that nice lather. Now guys, if I wanted a thicker lather, I'd go back to the water, agitate on my face, but I am in good shape here. So I'm going to do the first pass with the Super Speed. For those of you new to the game, 30 to 35 degree angle with a safety razor. And you want to use soft, consistent strokes with the grain of the hair So the grain of your hair is growing this way on your face, growing down. You want to use that and go with the grain. Now the hair on your neck can grow in many different directions. I'm just going to go with the grain and pretend that my hair isn't going all different directions. I'm going to go down just to make it easier. For us simple-minded folks, if you're really into beard mapping, you can go with the grain on my hair on my neck would probably be like this. And in the center, up. But I'm just going to go with the grain on my face. I'm going to pretend I'm going with the grain on my neck. I'm going to do 3 passes. And you'll cover each section of the hair with a pass. All right? Did I confuse you? I confused myself. All right, here we go. Simple, nice, easy, short strokes. You got 2 sides of a double edge. Use them. So nice. It's very gentle. Very smooth. Now the safety razor was part of the evolution game, right? Used to have the straight razor, which was, you really had to learn finesse, technique. The safety razor made it safer. These initially designed smooth and easy. The user was protected from the razor. So if you're new to this game, if you're thinking about wet shaving, don't be intimidated. Jump in. Do not be intimidated. Will you cut yourself? Yes. Will it take a little bit of time to get used to? You bet you. But you see how quick and easy? I'm dispatching the hair on my first pass. That's nice. Very, very nice, guys. I love getting back to using the vintage razors, guys. It just, you can feel the history. And imagine who used this first, when they picked it up at the store, the excitement they had, or maybe the trivialness of it. They went and got a razor. Us geeks today, they probably just went and picked up a razor. Imagine how many of these were lost. You know how you lose razors when you're traveling? Today we're like, all right, first pass is in the books, guys. If you're new to the wet shaving game, if you're trying or gonna try your hand at a safety razor, and you're watching this video, look at me, I'm a clown. I'm an average guy. Don't be afraid, just jump right in. All right, you'll save money. But there's also an art to it. There's a relaxation to making lather and using a blade. There's something pretty cool about it. All right, second pass. Little bore, near hot water. Go right back to that initial lather grab. We'll work that lather in. You see how it's thinner now? All right. I can go back to put a little bit more water on it. Go in here and beef that lather up a little bit. More water, more agitation, more lather. Nice. This smell, guys, this scent is haunting. Just love it. Just makes my whole day. I'm gonna go with the second pass, which is gonna be cross grain. So I'm gonna take longer cross grain strokes. Now this pass is really where I focus on the bits around here, the tender bits. Taking your time. And under the nose. And that's where that overhang can get you. So you want to take your time. Take your time. There's no rush. Even though it appears I'm going quickly, you don't have to go as quick as I'm going, and you don't have to talk when you're shaving like I do. I like to hold on the second and third passes. I like to hold the tool out so you go dainty with it. Very light feather strokes, and you really just want to let the blade go where the face, the neck, the contours of your shave surface take it. You don't want to be forcing to a spot. This is not football. This is not digging. This is shaving. And if you feel any pain, any irritation, you just pull up. You're not here to hurt yourself. You're just here to shave. All right. All right, two passes in the books. Now, I'll be honest, I am experiencing a little bit of irritation. And that's okay. Probably due to me rushing and me being a little bit under the weather here. So the final pass is going to be an against grain pass. Now, if you have the propensity of ingrown hairs, irritation, skip multiple passes. Then you're going to want to do what I'm doing here after the first pass. Right now I'm feeling around to see where I really may have missed a bunch. Like right here, I feel like there's a lot of hair. Over here, the chin is always a problem spot. So those are the areas you really want to make sure you get on the last and final pass or the second pass. Because if you have the propensity for ingrown hairs, you probably want to limit your passes to no more than 2. 3 is what I do. I do with grain, cross grain, and against grain. And the against grain pass is what I like to call my get right pass. So all those spots I felt before, I'm going to go and try to get right. I'm going to try to address those spots. You see that thin cover here? And that's the initial grab of that beautiful Elysian soap. And I'm going to go in here, flip the blade upside down, and I'm just going to go into those spots. Shaving with light pressure. Just gliding across the skin, guys. Not trying to do too much. Take your time. And again, shave. Don't play football. Don't dig. Not digging a ditch. Light pressure, even light pressure. 30, 35 degree angle. And there you go. There you have it. Now, some guys like Jimmy G, who has gifted me these vintage razors. Jimmy G will try to make the shave perfect. He'll keep addressing spots, go back, over, get in there. No, you don't have to do that. You're never going to be perfect. I feel some hair there. You can try to address it. It's never going to be perfect, guys. You just want to enjoy it. And you can't enjoy something if you're hurting, if it's hurting you. And as you get along the journey, more experience, it'll get easier. You'll find blade sets that you like. You'll find a razor that suits you. All right. So now I'm going to rinse off with cool water, and we'll put on the aftershave, and we'll get this done. Ah, nice shave. Now we're going to go with the beautiful ending, the happy ending. Ah, pine and pepper. It's the cherry on top. You did a great job, Shannon. All right, throw some of that elixir there. Oh, yeah. Oh, maybe just a little bit more. Just got a nice, warm, smell. Again, it's not like a pine forest, guys. It's very subtle, warm, sort of amber, peppery feel, smell to it. Oh, really, really nice. And there you have it. Vintage shave in the books. So I want to thank each and every one of you for your patience with me. I'll be getting back to more shaving. Hope to get some car reviews up, some food reviews, and other silliness. And if you're into the shorts, every day for a year I'm posting them. I'm up to day 65. Guys, hang with me. Hang with me. And I'll see you guys next time. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing. Play. Now roll the music.